just received this GE window air conditioner from my grandparents because they got this from a friend who complained that this was not working. So they dropped it off with me, and we're gonna see if I could fix it. And the complaint was that when you flip the switch, nothing would happen. But when I flip the switch, it works perfectly. So I honestly don't have a guess as to what could have been wrong with it. The GFCI feels fine. It's already blowing cold, so I'm just gonna take it apart and take a look at it and clean it because it's disgusting. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be keeping this. I'm just gonna be tuning it up and stuff, but yeah. It's pretty much similar to my higher. Filter and everything is the same, but the filter was on backwards. And then this is on backwards. Both of the side curtains are broken. This one is on backwards and broken, and this one is completely missing. There's that. Has mechanical controls, but it's pretty much the same design as my higher. So yeah, I'm just gonna be taking a look at this.
You know, I'm just
Out. Here's the unit. I'm about to clean it off. So let's just go over this. So here it is. It's got mechanical controls, 2 fan speeds, fan only, low cool, and then high cool. This is just like a knob, mechanical knob thermostat. You hear it clicking. It's not plugged in right now though because I'm about to get it wet. The blower wheel does kind of hit the styrofoam, but I can easily fix that. It's got a broad ocean fan motor and a Quingen compressor, if I'm pronouncing that right, Quingen, and it has R14A, so it can't be that old. Rotary compressor, yeah. And the evaporator is very dirty. Holy crap, what was that? Yes, I was going over this unit. The evaporator is very dirty. It's got like a bunch of dog hair in it. The owner of this unit has a lot of dogs. So I'm going to get the cord out of the way and hose it down. Because when you hose it down, you don't want to get the cord wet. So I'll put that over there. I'm going to put the sprayer on the hose. I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera. Okay, the coil is a lot better now. I've hosed the whole thing, the whole evaporator down. And for the condenser doesn't look that dirty, but I'm still gonna hose that down carefully. And I need to be careful because you do not want to get water in these bearings. I learned that the hard way. That's how my Harris bearings went bad right there. Fun fact. Anyway, there's a lot of water in here now, so after I'm done, I'm going to dump this out. Here's the condenser. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt it back just a little bit now to let some of that water that's right there flow out. Okay? And there's a lot of water down here in this pan. right there and everything. So I'm gonna do that. I probably couldn't hear that, but I just kicked on the compressor. The compressor is very quiet. There, now you can probably hear it. This is a pretty quiet unit overall. But yeah. Okay, I have finished cleaning the GE. I'm about ready to send it back to the original owner now. I've got it all put back together. So here's a look in there again. There's the motor. The bearings are starting to go bad, but I'm not going to bother with that. And there's the data one more time, the one with a warning sticker. And there's the compressor in there. Again, it's a Klingan or whatever. So remember, the original complaint was that it wasn't getting any power, but it is still working. So I think it was a problem either with the outlet in the original owner's house, or maybe the breaker was tripped or something. But yeah, it's working for me. It's worked in multiple outlets for me, so this thing is fine. It was originally working fine, it just needed a clean. So yeah, let's give this thing one last test. Here's low fan. I'm trying to talk over the background noise because my sister is playing a video. So there's low fan. Working fine, blowing air. Here's the condenser coil. That's blowing air. Fan motor in there. Okay, high fan. Okay. Now let's do the compressor. Make sure the compressor works one more time. Alright, I heard that kick on. Starting to get a little bit cold. I also cleaned the filter because the filter came a little bit dirty. Evaporator's cold. There's the temp sensor. You can hear that compressor running. So yeah, this unit is working fine. So if the lady that owns this unit is starting to have the problem again, I would suggest for her to get her electricity checked out, because this unit has no problems. Starting to freeze up a tiny bit, but that's okay as long as it thaws. And this thing is a struggle to get back on, so let me do that real quick. Okay. So yeah. I'm unsure of the year. There's the serial. If anybody can decode the serial number, it is a 5,000 BTU unit. I'm thinking early 2010s, probably. Let's see. Right here where it says focus. I said focus, there we go. Right here, there's an 11. So I'm thinking it might be from 2011. And that would make sense since it has R14A and it seems like it would be from that age. So yeah. Turn off the compressor. So yep. Alright. That was this GE air conditioner. Out. Alright, just realized I hadn't put the side curtains on yet, so I went ahead and did that. And since they came broken, I went ahead and duct taped it like I did with my hire. And this side curtain came missing. I'm just gonna leave that like that. And I did duct tape that too. But yeah, I don't have that. I don't have the other side curtain. That didn't come with it, so. Here's the condenser again. So yep, I'm ready to send this unit back off again. Hopefully they don't have trouble, but if they do, then they need to get their outlet checked out. So yep.